In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open EPS file in Affinity Designer. If you've downloaded a logo, an illustration, or any vector artwork in the EPS format and want to edit it in Affinity Designer, this walkthrough will make it straightforward even if you're new to the app. First, start by opening the Affinity Designer application on your computer. Give it a moment to load the workspace. You'll see the main interface with the toolbars, the canvas area, and panels like layers and color. If you've never used it before, don't worry. Everything we're doing today happens right from the menus you can see at the top. Next, head to the File menu located at the top left. On macOS, that's in the System menu bar. On Windows, it's the File option at the top left of the Affinity Designer window. This is where you access all your document commands, including creating new files and, in our case, opening existing ones. Choose Open from the File menu. This tells Affinity Designer you want to bring an existing file into the workspace as a new document, which is ideal for EPS files. Opening will create a working document you can edit right away. This is different from placing artwork into an existing canvas, which is helpful in other scenarios, but for now, Open is exactly what we need. In the File dialog that appears, navigate to the folder where your EPS file is stored. You can filter by file type or simply look for the byte EPS extension. Select your EPS file, then click Open. Depending on the content, Affinity Designer may display a brief import process. Sometimes you may see an Import Options dialog. If you do, the default settings usually work well. If you're concerned about missing fonts, choosing to convert text to curves helps preserve the appearance exactly as designed. If you have the required fonts installed, keeping text editable is useful for later edits. Once the file opens, it appears as a new document in Affinity Designer. Zoom in and out to confirm the artwork looks crisp. EPS is a vector format, so lines and shapes should remain sharp at any zoom level unless the original had raster elements. Check the Layers panel to see how the artwork was brought in. Some EPS files import as groups of curves, which you can select with the Move tool and edit with the Node tool. If colors seem slightly different, that can be due to color profiles used in the original file. That's normal and depends on how the EPS was authored. And if the artwork looks very large or very small, remember you can scale vector graphics cleanly without losing quality. That's all you need to open an EPS file in Affinity Designer. You're ready to edit, recolor, and refine your vector artwork.